Good morning, this is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance. A little cold here today, so I've got myself bundled up, but today we're going to repair an awning that's got some seam damage to it and stuff, and I'm going to show it to you in just a second. I'm with Specialized Maintenance, awning cleaning and repair here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So let me go ahead and show you the awning, and let me do that now. Okay, here is this forest green color awning. Underneath you'll see that it's got a rope rail problem, as well as the lace flap has become disconnected. And it's got a few damages on the corners, you can see that. Well, we're going to go ahead and get this repaired and make it look nice again. Well, we've been able to take that awning down so that we can start the repairs. This is where the awning is now laying. You can see it there. It's come off the frame nicely. So this is an older awning, so we have to be pretty careful with it so we don't do any additional damage.